Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Yazoo, an honest review, and watch this before using. So, Yazoo is a popular app designed to assist users in tracking calories, managing diets, and supporting intermittent fasting. It boasts over 50 million users and has received positive ratings on online platforms like Google Play and the Apple Play Store or App Store. Some of its key features are calorie counting, intermittent fasting, receipts, and automatic tracking. On calorie counting, Yazoo enables users to log their daily food intake, offering a comprehensive database of over 2 million foods. On intermittent fasting, the app provides various fasting plans suitable for both beginners and experienced users. For the receipts, users have access to a variety of receipts, which can be adjusted based on portion sizes on dietary preferences. On automatic tracking, it is connect with your fitness tracker and automatically track your activities and steps. So Yazoo can sync with devices like Garmin and Fitbit, allowing for seamless tracking of physical activities. Here are some success stories. She lost 40 pounds and he lost 111 pounds. So, pros of Yazoo is it is user-friendly, it has a comprehensive features. Beyond calorie counting, Yazoo offers meal planning, fasting schedules, and nutrient analysis, providing a holistic approach to health management. So here are some reviews from the users. Now, also one of its pros is the community support. Yazoo has an active community, especially on platforms like Facebook where users share experience, tips, and support. So in conclusion, Yazoo offers a robust set of tools for individuals aiming to monitor their diet and health metrics. While the free version provides substantial features, users seeking an ad-free experience and advanced functionalities might consider upgrading to the Pro version. As with any health app, it's essential to use Yazoo as a supplementary tool and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. And that's basically it.